Hey guys, if you're trying to connect to a Minecraft server and you keep getting an error message or it just won't connect, then stick with me, as in this video I'm going to share with you all the different methods you can use to fix this. So the first method we are going to use is flushing our DNS, which you can actually do by coming to the start menu and searching for the word CMD. And we want to right click on the command prompt here and make sure to run this as an administrator. Now when you're in this little black window here, we want to type in the following commands and hit enter after each one. So the first thing we want to type in is ipconfig /release to, and then we can type in ipconfig /renew and hit enter. And lastly we can type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. We can then close out the command prompt to try and see if the issue is fixed. If you're still encountering a problem, the next thing we can do is update our network drivers, as a corrupted or out-of-date driver can cause connection issues. Luckily, there is a free tool that we can use that makes this step super easy. Simply head over to an internet browser and we want to come to a website called drivereasy.com. Once we're on this website, just scroll down to the page until you find the download section and click this big download button here. Once you've successfully downloaded and installed Driver Easy, just head over to the start menu to launch it, and then we want to press this big green scan now button. Now what this tool is going to do is going to scan your computer for any outdated drivers, and it's going to make updating them super quick and easy. Once this scan's complete, all you simply need to do is come into the update button beside each of the outdated drivers and follow the steps in order to update the driver. Now you can click this update all button at the bottom here, but it's part of the paid plan. So I'd recommend just sticking to the free version and coming into them one by one. Now the next method we can try if we're still experiencing an issue is to change our DNS server address, as this can help resolve connection issues. Simply head over to the start menu and search for control panel, and then click the control panel icon, and we want to make sure view by is set to category, and then come into view network status and tasks. Select change adapter settings on the left hand, and what you need to do is you need to find the internet that you're currently using, so that's this one for me. And then just right click and come into properties. Now we want to select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Now where it says at the bottom here, obtain DNS server address automatically, we're going to change that to use the following DNS server addresses. And for these addresses, we're simply going to type in 8888. The second one, we're going to type in 8844. And then we can press OK. And we can just close this to save our changes. Now once again, we can test to see if the issue has been resolved. But if you've tried all of these steps so far and still no luck, then the last thing we can do is allow the app through our firewall setting. So to do this, we want to open up the start menu again, and we're going to search for Windows Defender. And just click the Windows Defender firewall option, and we want to select allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender on the left hand. And then come into change settings, as you need to click this before you can make any changes on this window. Now what we need to do is we need to come down to the bottom here where it says allow another app, and then you want to hit browse. From here you want to select the Minecraft executable file. If you don't know where this is located, simply come back out of here, and we want to minimize this for a second, and you want to find the Minecraft launcher that you currently use to play the game. So for me that's this one here, and we right click it and select open file location. Now all you need to do is come to the top here, and we want to copy all of this by right clicking and selecting copy, and then we can come back to Windows Defender and select allow another app. Back into browse, and then we want to come to the top here and we want to paste all of that text that we just copied and hit enter. And you want to select Minecraft launcher, and then we can hit open, and then just add this to add it to the list. Once you've added Minecraft to this, we want to make sure that both private and public are checked, and then we can press OK to save our changes. Now hopefully by following all of these steps you're able to connect to Minecraft servers, but if you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.